Just like that, we are here at High Tech Motorsport, man. Look at the, you see the Hellcat? I was just gonna say that. Go over to stall 4. Actually, just pull right here because I don't even pull in there. I want you to pull in there. For the G Squad that's been around for a good minute, let me go ahead and tell you, I got these snow tires for Kim a long time ago, and they still got pretty good tread. We want these to last about 2 or 3 winters at least. We just got done with one winter. Well, it ain't all the way fully over, but y'all know what happened there. We ain't gonna talk about that, but yeah, we got some pretty good tread on there. So now we are about to get some all seasons or summer tires put on there, man, and get the snow white, you know, getting ready for the summer, man. Yeah, we got my guy Chris over here working on the Hellcat, putting this thing all pieced up and together. He over here banging that, listening to that chinky, huh, Chris? Yeah. What you doing right now, bro?
I was putting the other side back together.
The underbody part? Oh yeah, I see some of the plastics on there too. Thanks, bro. I appreciate it, man. Everything's coming together, man. Y'all see it? Is the speakers back in here yet? Yep, the beautiful Harman Kardon sound system, man. So I decided not to go with the stock exhaust to put back on there. I'm actually putting the Borla Attack exhaust back on there. So no stock exhaust. I'm keeping the long tube headers. Hey, my car's registered in Minnesota, y'all, so we're going to take our chances, and hopefully we got the odds with us. There that thing goes right there, man. Honestly, I'm not even going to lie to y'all, man. I read all the comments and everything like that, but the biggest deciding factor was me, myself, to keep it all the way true with y'all, because I just couldn't go back to just the stock exhaust. I love how my Hellcat sound. I love it. Like, I love the way this makes it sound. I like the headers on there. I like everything how it's set up right now. And we are keeping the gearing on there as well. So let's go talk to Bart so that way we can keep y'all up to date with everything that's going on with that. We got my guy Scott right there. Say what's up, Scott.
What's up?
You over there eating some boiled eggs? And my guy Bart. What's happening, baby? What's happening with y'all? What's up with you, man? How you feeling?
Thanks for having me here.
Thanks for taking the time out. I know you're a busy man to put them tires on Kim's Jeep. I would greatly apprate that. For real, for real.
I take care of you. You're going to miss me when you're in L.A.
Oh, of course.
I'm probably realistically the only white guy that you're going to miss.
You know what? I got half white family, Bart. There might be some people I miss over there. I ain't talked to them in a while. Don't mean nothing, though. But I knew if I didn't change Kim tires right now, Bart, she wasn't going to change them. You heard me?
Oh, they go right to the rubber bands.
Exactly. Right to the wire.
I'm not a car person, so I don't know.
But you got me. You don't have to be a car person.
That is true.
You and Penny. Hey, guess what? The lights all came on and the car's smoking.
What's going on?
Well, she figured once I leave, you might not rock with her no more, Bart. I said, that's not, Bart's the man. I told Mr. Organik, now that I'm leaving, everybody go subscribe to his channel. I told him, now that I'm leaving, y'all should be doing something. You should be like, he should be trying to get some mods done to the Corvette. I know that ain't his thing, but I told him if he structured up the content, did some car stuff, that'd be some good stuff.
I'm ready for it. I'm still here.
Yeah, absolutely.
Caught up with everybody else's stuff. Did you look at the Hellcat?
I did. I see you got the sound system back in there and everything. He was putting the little plastic guards and all that stuff in there. Chris was, so.
It'll be done by tomorrow.
Yeah, I missed the Hellcat, man. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. I can't wait to get back in that thing and hit the pedal. I ain't gonna hold you. Oh yeah, tell them about the gearing too, because we're keeping the gearing.
Yeah, we're keeping the 370 gears out of the 6-speed car in there, so we're gonna have much more mid-range punch, and it's gonna be, even though the car's back to being fat as it can be, with everything back in it, but it's going to be quite a bit difference across the middle. You have to report on that, see what you think about it when you get out there and grip it and rip it from 50 to 100 and nothing in Mexico.
Yeah, because I told Bart I was still going to take it to the drag strip. I told you that. I got to take it to the drag strip because they've been wanting to see it. You done all this stuff. It ain't going to be lightweight. It ain't going to be 1,000 pounds lighter no more. But, hey, y'all get the drift because everything that can be done to it is done to it other than cams and that other crazy stuff.
It doesn't need cam. We're making all the power with the motor to keep it alive in one piece.
Yeah.
Like a lot of the guys on the internet.
And the gearing thing, you said that's going to be reliable. It ain't going to break down. Yeah. If anything, it's going to make it more easier to...
It's just like a bicycle. When you're pedaling uphill and you're trying to pull something, you've got your gear it down a little bit so you can... More RPM, but the thing accelerates quicker.
Right.
So you'll find out right away.
So we ain't never going to deal with that thing breaking down?
Nope.
Cool. Y'all see the thumbs up? Thumbs up, man.
Thumbs up. Fingers down, thumbs up.
I know, right? Yeah. So all together, we got the drive shaft done, carbon fiber drive shaft. We got the long tube headers. Yep. We got the full exhaust. Yep. We got the pulley. Yep. We got the cold air intake. And then we got the oil catch can. Not that counts, but you got to add it.
It's pretty.
And then and then what else did we do anything?
I took all the lightweight stuff off there, and you're putting on the regular tires and wheels. I'm having Kyle go back to that original tune.
Yeah.
Run 91 octane.
Yeah.
And California gets shitty fuel.
I'm thinking about just buying those from you too. Like I bought the gears and then keep the tire and just bring the tires and the front ones with me.
Yeah.
And then whenever I go drag strip.
So what I was going to do, the ones back there are not really street legal for that car.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. So I have these extra ones. They're a little bit heavier, but they were designed for Demon and Hellcat.
Oh, the Mickey Thompsons.
Yeah, the Mickey Thompson SRs. So
Okay.
I was talking to you about getting you another set of rims. And I can send them to
My guy,
you,
Billy.
you know.
What's up, man? Well, you say get another set of rims?
Another set of rims and just send them to you, so you don't have to schlep them over. Because I have your old rims sold.
Yep.
The guy came in, he saw them on the YouTube thing.
He wanted to buy them.
I wanted to buy 'em.
I remember you hit me and I called you about it and all that though, but yeah.
Yep.
So
I got the ones on your car, the ones that are not really, the fronts are not legal.
right.
They're,
Yeah, I wouldn't feel comfortable driving with them, I ain't gonna lie to you.
but you know what? You're only 30 minutes from Pomona for drag racing from your house. I put your house in.
Oh, I
I
did.
actually put the Staples Center in. So
Oh, it was right across the street.
it's only 30 minutes due east.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it for sure. I'm gonna do it for sure.
Okay.
I'm just gonna go slow the first time, and then I'm gonna just the better I get at it, the more I start to speed up a little bit.
Did you talk to John about getting the truck up in the air and getting it rolling? Or you just-
No, I didn't see John. Where's John at?
Oh, he's back there with the truck. Let me grab my phone so when they call me 13 times.
Make sure you give Bart a call if y'all want to talk to him and blow him up some more. What's the number?
763-712-9088. Yes, I'm a phone guy. I get it. I'm an archaic kind of dude.
And all his info is in the description below. Make sure y'all go ahead and click that link and subscribe to my guy Bart's YouTube channel, man. This is the old gearing or the
This is
new
the
one?
old 262.
Okay.
2.62 gear that comes in the Hellcats. Yours has been removed and replaced with the 3.70 gear that comes in the 6-speed
Okay.
Hellcat. It's exactly the same. It just gives you an extra 30-some% gearing, so the car is going to be much quicker in the middle. And
Okay.
we're doing the tires on the extra set of rims, so you have a set of drag tires to take with you to California, go to Pomona.
Yep.
You can go out and drag, but this car will be.
So we're gonna go with the. Oh my bad. We're gonna go with the Mickey Thompson Street SSs, right? 305s.
They make them in 20s, so that's what you're going to get.
Right.
And that's we'll have those all put together for you. The tires are coming in tomorrow, and you can just take them when you go. Whichever way.
Whether this way, that way, this way, whatever. Yeah. West. We'll just say west.
West and south. Southwest here.
Right. Okay. So what does the new gearing thing look like?
Same thing. It's exactly the same. They just change the guts inside.
For real?
Yeah, it's just-
But it looks the same?
Yeah, exactly the same.
Oh,
Just
wow.
change the number of teeth, so you get a different ratio. That's
Huh.
all.
Okay. All the car brain stuff.
Yeah, this is pretty simple stuff. It's bicycle stuff. As well.
So from like 50 to 100 is gonna make it faster, pretty much.
Yeah, much quicker.
Yeah.
So it'll accelerate that much quicker. As long as we get traction with the bigger tires, it'll work much better in the middle. It's just going to spin the tires down low, but it did it before too.
Okay. And what all do we have left to do to the Hellcat?
I think they got to put the other shocks in. Maybe these are the new ones. I don't know where they're at. The coilovers, and he's already changed over. Looks like he put the original brake rotors in. We still got to put the sound deadening back in here.
Look at them long tube headers though, y'all.
Yep,
Sheesh.
it's still there.
Yep. Man, oh man. Keeping that thing on there, man.
The old wheels and tires are going on, and we got to put the sound deadening up in the hood. Get that done, and looks like they got the windshield wipers back on with the cowl stuff. At least one, yeah.
Oh yeah, with all the plastic stuff.
Yeah, all the plastic stuff back there.
Yeah, and all that was taken off for those who don't know. The sunroof is in there right now, as y'all can see. Boom.
I think the interior is pretty much done.
Oh yeah, the sunroof's in there, the other seats in there, the back seats are in there. I'm probably the only person that can do this. I'm Bart. Put the camera way up here and just
Pretty much.
looks way better.
Well, it looks like it did when it came in.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, he got everything back to normal. I'm liking it, Bart. I can't wait to try this beast again, man.
Get the final plastic pieces back in it and get everything done, and then we'll just cut you loose.
Okay, I wanted to get. Oh damn, my bad. Oh, my bad, Bart. Stepping on some stuff. Let me go ahead. I don't want.
That's all the push pins for the plastic pieces I still got to put in.
Yeah, we don't want to lose them. Let's go ahead and make sure we got everything nice and fastened.
Prefer not just kicking one out of the way.
Oh, boop, here goes another
There
one.
you go.
My man, appreciate it, Bart. My bad.
These are because of the weight we took out of the vehicle, we lowered the vehicle by putting the rubber bumpers were originally in the car. They go where the springs are. Right here. So John's got to take and drop everything down and then slip these back into play. That took about an inch out of the car because it got way too high in the back.
Oh, so it's like lowering it tight?
Yeah, we took it down an inch and a quarter because these are solid and they're really hard.
So is those good? Should like I leave those out?
Nope, we're going to put them back in.
Well, I mean, it looked cooler with it down though, right?
Well, remember,
Like a lower end kind of thing?
Yeah, we put all the weight in the car, so took the weight out, now we're putting the weight back in.
So it needs that.
It needs this.
Oh, okay. So I thought it was kind of like a bag thing. You know, when people be bagging. I don't know if I ever want to do that though. You told me not to do that a long time ago. Don't bag the Hellcat.
Don't do it.
Don't do it?
Hellcats a great car. Leave it alone.
Okay.
Do this how many times?
A lot.
And I want you to realize, of course, you know, your tabs have been expired since the...
Oh, I got the tabs in the Jeep.
Okay.
You're right. I had to pay that today. I had to pay over $1,000 because check this out. Check this out. I went to the tab place, right? And then next thing you know, I told them, I said, I need to get tabs for my Hellcat. They said, cool. Okay, well, while you're here today, your tabs are due for the Ram as well. I said, damn, they got me. They got me. So I said, you know what? Let's just get them both done right now. Over $1,000 for this one and the Ram Rizzi together. Yeah, that's a big out, bro. Gotta pay the cost to be the boss, though, right? You know that, Bart. You got a house on the lake. You definitely know. Appreciate you lowering it, Bart, so I get the tabs up out of there, man. So we go over here and we're gonna put the tabs on the Hellcat now, man. Been long overdue. But since I ain't been driving it, I've been like, you know, what's the point? I can just put them on there whenever I start driving the car.
Wipe it off first, otherwise you get a chance to have it stick out.
I like the new license plates, Bart.
Oh yeah, I did that.
I like that. I'm gonna keep those on there too. I've been meaning to change the license plate cover of the last ones too.
But since we were going drag racing, I thought, well, I got one last set here, and away we go.
Right,
yeah,
makes sense to me. So you already wiped it?
Yeah, I got it cleaned off for you.
You know what I hate about tabs, man? I hate when you don't get it right, exactly right. You gotta relay it, it's kind of crooked.
I know.
You gotta lay with it crooked until a whole year later.
Yep.
So yeah,
that's what's nice to have that black outline around the outside because it covers up mistakes.
Yeah, facts, huh?
Yep.
There's a few ones on there. The blue ones I put on there a little crooked last year. It was so cold by the time I had to put them on, I was freezing. So kind of rushed the whole process of it all right there. But yeah, now we are good to go. New tabs, Bart. And there goes Snow White. The tires are on there. Bill, I appreciate you, my guy. How's it driving? How's it driving? Is it driving okay?
I just pulled it out. It's fine, man. Can't drive it. She's too short, man. Those seats.
I appreciate you, bro. Thanks, man. There goes the new tires there, yo. I actually like the sidewall on it. Look, pretty nice, right? Pretty cool. I like it, man. I think Kim's gonna be all the way kosher and set up with these. I wanted to make sure I took care of her before I went out to LA, man. Now she has her winter tires and she has her summer tires, all season things on there. What'd you say, Bill?
I was gonna check the miles real quick and that's it.
Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, just make sure, you know, Kim stays on top of that with the miles and everything. But yeah, brand new, man. Comment below, let me know what y'all think, man. Pretty cool tires, right? So now all she literally has to do is keep these on there every 5,000 miles, rotate them, bring them up here to Bart, and do that until, you know, fall, winter time again, and then slap them winter tires back on here. And the winter tires should last about 3 winters, hopefully. So both, all in all, I think these should last about 3 summers. The winters should last about 3 winters, so she got about 2 more winters left on those tires. And between this summer and the next 2, they should be done around the same time, and then have to get a close replace. So yeah, I say about 3 years. So all in all, pretty damn good deal, right?
Super squishy looking.
Yeah, pretty cool, right? They said this is, Bart says this is the top rated tire right now, or one of the top rated tires. Very nice. BF Goodrich. Good ones, Bart said.
You got a penny?
All right, put your finger in there though. Whoop! All the way good. Big brand new tires.
Thank you. New shoes for my car.
Yeah.
These are the tires.
All the tires are back here, huh? Yeah, you gotta put them in the, here goes the winners. Now we are officially good to go. So actually I'm gonna let Kim drive because I pulled the ball right here and I can already tell there's a huge difference. So I'm curious to see her thoughts about how things drive. So yeah, you guys good to see that by now, sorry.
Oh, it feels good. Skirt, bitches.
How does it feel?
Where are we going?
Take a U-turn right here. Does it feel way better, right? Than the winter tires? The winter tires are a little slippery, right?
Yes, right.
Yeah. So you feel more grippity grip on the road?
Of course.
Okay, well there y'all go, man. Just like that, this video is over. We gotta actually run to the bank. I gotta go to the bank. I gotta grab this cash out. Big thousands to give to my guy Bart, man, but I really appreciate him, man. He's always showing big time love, man, and the fact that whenever I call him, man, make sure I go subscribe to his YouTube channel ASAP. Whenever I called him, or my family called him, or anybody that I know called him and was like, hey Bart, man, need some assistance, he's more than willing every single time to drop everything he's doing and help us out a lot, and I appreciate that tremendously. Says a lot about his character, man.
Guy.
He's all around a very, very nice guy, man, and he operates with big time integrity, you know, from everything I've ever experienced with him, man. But shout out to him, man. Link will be in the description below. Click that, subscribe to his YouTube channel, man. Really appreciate it, man. Gonna miss having him there when I need some stuff for the Hellcat or something like that, man. Got big legendary content coming y'all way, man. Like I said, gotta run to the bank. I'll holler at y'all in a minute. Tall guy, I'm out of here.